Hello everyone, welcome to Mad Chef Cooking Show episode 7, the Dal Makhni. It's the most popular dish served in any North Indian restaurant. The recipe and the technique is extremely simple. However, this is a dish of patience and enjoying the process. So I would request all of you to take out 3 hours if you want to make it the right way. So let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will be needing. Now soak 1 cup of dal and half cup of rajma for about 5 hours. Now boil the dal and rajma. Now take a big pan, put 4 cups of water and put the boiled dal and rajma in it. Now put it on low flame. Let it be on the low flame and take another fresh pan and put lots of butter and let it melt. Now put 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook it for about 3 to 3.5 minutes. Now we'll put 1.5 cup of fresh tomato puree. It's going to take some time. It'll take 20 to 25 minutes. Now to remind you guys again, our dal is being cooked on low flame simultaneously. Just keep stirring it, and if water becomes less, then add a cup of water. Now as you can see, the butter has started to ooze out, which means our mixture is ready. Now turn off the flame and put the tomato paste in the dal, which is being cooked at low flame. Now just observe how the paste is adding a beautiful red color to the dal. Now here's the secret technique. The more you cook it, the better it's going to taste. You can cook it for 2 hours if you want. All you gotta do is keep adding water once your dal starts to become thick. I would recommend to cook it at least for 1 hour. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter. Our dal is almost cooked. We'll add a last ingredient, which is half cup of cream. Once the cream is added, we won't cook the dal for more than a minute. and your Dal Makhni is ready. I personally find Lachha Parantha and Dal Makhni a beautiful combination. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like button. Thank you for watching.